Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my brownies. Obviously, first you should always start with washing your hands. Next, you're going to grab your mixing bowl. Any bowl will work, but a bigger one is better to use. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to melt half a cup of butter and pour that in the mixing bowl. Then you're going to pour in a tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 1/8 cup of sugar. You're then going to whisk that all together for about 1.5 minutes. You're then going to pour in 2 large eggs and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. It should go from this to something like this. You're then going to pour in a cup of sifted cocoa powder, a cup of sifted flour, and a teaspoon of salt. Take a spatula and start flipping the batter. You should flip it until it goes from this to this, and then eventually to this. Then get that bowl out of the way and grab yourself any brownie pan and some parchment paper. Stick it in the oven for about 23 minutes. Then once it's done, you're going to take it out of the oven and let it cool for a bit. You're then going to take the brownies off the parchment paper and cut them into squares so that they look like this. And there you have it.